In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a to-do list in tasks in Goodday. This walkthrough is perfect if you're just getting started with Goodday, or if you've been using it for a while but haven't explored the built-in to-do list feature inside individual tasks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and how to set things up so your tasks become clearer, more organized, and easier to track. First, open your browser and go to the Goodday website. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace or account where your projects are located. It's best to wait a moment and let the dashboard load completely so all your projects, folders, and tasks are visible. If you use Goodday regularly, you'll probably land on your main workspace, project board, or task list view. Next, locate the task where you want to add a to-do list. This could be any task in any project. You might see it in a list view, board view, or another layout, depending on how your workspace is set up. Click on the task's name or title to open it. This will usually bring up a task detail panel or a full page view, showing fields like status, assignee, dates, description, and other properties. Once the task is open, look carefully inside the task details area for the option to add a to-do list. The wording may appear as add to-do list or something very close to that. It's typically located along with other task options, such as attachments, comments, or subtasks. Go ahead and click on Add To-Do List. After you click, Goodday will insert a to-do list section directly into the task. From here, you can start typing the individual items or action steps you want to track within this task. Even though this video focuses only on how to add the list itself, it's helpful to know that you can usually add multiple items, mark them as completed, and keep everything related to this task neatly grouped in one place. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Goodday, opened the task you need, and added a to-do list inside that task, giving you a simple way to break work into smaller, manageable steps.